All right, to continue our healthy eating discussion, I have added 10 tips for healthy eating. It's called Plate Power. So, one, we're going to choose good carbs, not zero carbs. Zero carbs is bad. You need carbs. They add the energy. You don't just want to cut out carbs completely. You want to pay attention to protein packages, so fish and poultry. Again, you want to choose healthy fats and limit saturated fats. We want to choose a fiber-rich diet rich in whole grains. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Color is amazing, and you want to make sure there's a variety. Calcium is important, but you don't just get calcium through milk. You can get it through other things too. We understand now that water is best to quench the thirst. No sugary drinks. If you're feeling thirsty, grab a water. And this will save you money too. Water you can find anywhere. You don't have to, pretty much you don't have to pay for it. You can find it at a water fountain. You can fill it up. If you want a sugary drink, you're going to end up spending $1.50, $2. Eating less salt is good for everyone's health. Salt's just bad for you. Moderate drinking is okay, but you must weigh the risks and benefits for yourself. Some people think that just having one drink per night is okay, and then one drink turns into two. So this is just something that is on a personal basis. You have to understand what your body can and can't handle and what you can and can't handle. And then finally, a daily multivitamin is a great nutrition insurance policy. So you can get multivitamins anywhere. Go to Target, Walmart. You can get a 60-day pack. You take one a day, one in the morning. You can get it for $5 or $6, and it's a great insurance for a healthy future.